To support the deepening of hospital digitalization, a future-ready high-speed network is essential. Ruijie Healthcare's simplified optical Ethernet solution has been fully upgraded to meet hospitals' network demands for the next 8 to 10 years. In traditional Ethernet setups, each building's low-voltage room must house a distribution switch, which involves active devices that are costly to maintain and demanding on the environment. Ruijie's all-optical solution integrates wavelength division and routing functions into upgraded switch line cards at the hospital's central server room, making the network simpler and deployment more flexible. These ultra-converged optical line cards feature 8 aggregation ports, supporting up to 64 endpoint devices. With gigabit and 10G port options, this reduces core port usage by 8 times and cuts jumper cables by 95%. For small to mid-sized networks with 160 rooms or fewer, the RGS 7600 series core switch offers a compact 1U or 2U design, integrated with wavelength features, dual 100G uplinks, and an expansion slot. How does Ruijie achieve a fully passive, maintenance-free aggregation layer? Using color optics and passive devices, the solution enhances transmission efficiency while reducing cabling costs between core and buildings. Unlike 1:8 splitting in PON, Ruijie offers true 1-to-1 bandwidth through physical isolation. With fibre-to-room deployment, building-to-floor low-voltage rooms are entirely passive, eliminating cable tray clutter and reducing spatial requirements by 95%. The transparent distribution unit at the building side has been upgraded to an 8-port modular version, supporting dual uplinks through passive optical splitters and VSU networking. High-power color modules reduce loss, ensuring link reliability. Hospitals demand strict internal and external network separation. Ruijie's dual network solution enables physical separation with a single RGMF switch, simplifying internal/external network deployment through one-time construction. In admin offices, the 4-port or 8-port switches allow internal and external access within one room, with no need for additional cabling. In clinics, wards, and imaging rooms, more IoT devices and smart equipment create urgent needs for higher bandwidth and more ports. The RGSF series switches deliver PoE and are 5 times faster to deploy than traditional cabling, dramatically shortening project timelines. For high-res medical imaging, legacy hub-based port expansion caused serious data performance drops. Now, Ruijie's dual 10G optical uplinks with link aggregation enable 20G uplink and 2.5G or 5G downlink, boosting performance by 5 to 20 times, and reducing PACS image load times from 20 seconds to under 5. With SDN integration, all optical link status is visualized in real time, showing voltage, temperature, laser bias current, optical power, and enabling instant fault localization without manual checks.